This is that mid-1950s Olivetti Lettera 22 that I picked up, I think a week ago now, at Value Village for $2.99 plus just I think a dime in tax. The machine did not work when I got it. The U-bar, that's the tripper for the escapement behind these keys, was out of alignment, which caused the problem of the carriage and the shift being jammed. This literally is just taking the bottom panel off and realigning it. Another thing that was out of alignment was the, if it focuses, it's underneath the margin bar. It is the margin release. This camera is absolutely terrible. It's underneath there, so not this bar, but the one that was out of alignment. So that was scraping against the carriage and things like that. Besides that, there wasn't really any damage. I have the feeling this machine has been dropped at some point, which caused those problems. The only real problem that it has now, or that it had, was the carriage release didn't work. It was jammed in such a fashion that it was very hard to operate. During cleaning, the spring fell off the escapement teeth. How can I say that? It trips the escapement every time you press the space bar. It wouldn't re-engage, so the carriage would just move freely. That was caused by the the carriage release. Now I've managed, with the help of a fellow collector, remove the plate, and I could work underneath it, which makes the escapement visible, and also made it very easy to remove the carriage release. Now the carriage release still doesn't feel terribly healthy, but at least it works. This side more than that, so I think this one is bent and I can't seem to find the correct position for it. However, that's pretty much it. The folding lever is still good. These tend to wear out. That was a manufacturing error. Well, not error, but a weakness in this machine, I find. And yeah, there's here the paper supports, as you can see, in very good shape. None of them are bent. These are the margins. Not gonna happen focusing today. Here is the line spacer, key, signature tabulator, color selector. So yeah, it still has the cover up original spools. You can Olivetti spools with both screws. There's the touch control. So inside, very clean now as I cleaned it. I'm a stickler for details, so it gets the job done. The cover is it's hard to get off, very easy to get on for some reason. Yeah, so the ribbon nail was still good, as you can tell by what I've just written. Well, not on this camera anyway, but yeah. So, literally, $3. I got this and the box, which I will get for you, so you can have a look. That's the box. And then put the camera down again. You see what was inside. I got, this is the case, got the dust cover with it, which has the emblem on it. So this is the later version. You can tell it doesn't just says Olivetti, it says Underwood Olivetti, as does the cover. I have another Lettera 22, the earlier version, the brown version with the round keys, that just says Olivetti. This machine was owned by a R.N. Molesworth at some point, and it came with, well, part of a typewriter eraser. I think there's supposed to be a part attached to it, but yeah. So, very nice catch. And if you know a little bit about typewriters, getting one of these broken, or not broken, just things like that are very easy fixable. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye.